Maltin u Awċini taw merħba kbira lill-mexxej Laburista Joseph Muscat u lil martu Michelle waqt il-parti uffiċjali tal-kampanja Ajmen. Il-mexxej Laburista sellem lil dawk kollha preżenti lil kollha awħ blajta tagħna il-koll. Waqt il-parti organizzat mill-Forum Żgħażagħ Laburisti il-ġimgħa filgħaxija kien hemm il-kantanta ta' fama internazzjonali Cristina Novelli. Cristina Novelli li hija l-aktar magħrufa d-diska Concrete Angel, kanzunetta li l-video tagħha laħaq il-fuq minn 15 miljun view fuq il-YouTube. Tkellimna mal-kantanta li għal 5 darba ġiet tagħti spettaklu f'pajjiżna.
I've been here a few times now, but every time I come here it's just better and better. Joy, who looks after us when we come here, he's brilliant, so it's always good every time I come here and my team.
Tkellimna wkoll dwar id-diska li ndaqqet għall-ewwel darba il-bieraħ filgħaxija u fuq ix-xogħol tad-DJ Malti J-Joy. J-Joy u Clint Bajjada kienu fost dawk li daqqew waqt l-Ajmen The Party.
Basically me and J-Joy have collaborated on a track called Loving You, which is going to be good. I'm very excited about it. So you'll hear it soon enough. But yes, it's a good track and hopefully everyone in Malta likes it. I'm sure they will.
Cristina Novelli flimkien ma' DJ J-Joy jisser jagħtu spettaklu għal mass meeting li ser isir għada l-ħadd fuq il-fosos tal-Florjana.
Yeah, I mean, come down. I mean, J-Joy is going to be DJing, I'm going to be singing, and apparently it's going to be a very, very good event. So yeah, come down if you're free. It'd be lovely to see everyone. Thank you very much.